don't want to make boring slide, but rather create a beautiful team introduction slide in PowerPoint that will instantly impress your audience. In this video, I will show you step by step how to design and animate a modern photo frame effect for your team members. Clean, minimal and fully customizable. Let's start the video. Go to Shape and select Diagonal Stripe. Draw it on the slide. Now, drag the yellow handle to adjust the stripe's width. This forms one side of your frame. Next, go to Rotate, then More Rotation option and rotate it by 45 degrees. That's one side of the frame ready. Press Ctrl Shift to duplicate the stripe. Rotate it right by 90 degrees and align it to form a square frame. Adjust the position so the corners connect neatly. Go to Insert, then Pictures and select a photo from your device. Hold down Shift to resize it and fit it completely within the frame. Then, choose Send to Back so the photo sits behind the frame. Add a text box below the frame. Type the team member's name and a short description or role. Select the first shape, go to Animation and apply the wipe effect. In Effect option, choose from top and set duration to 0.15 seconds. Use the animation painter to copy the effect, apply it to the second shape and choose from leg. Start after previous. Apply it to the third shape and choose from bottom. Apply it to the fourth shape and choose from right. Now, apply a wipe animation to the picture. Choose from top. Set duration to 0.50 seconds and start with previous. For the text box, apply floated animation. Choose float down and set it to start with previous. Select everything, the shape, photo and text and press Ctrl D twice to duplicate. For each duplicate, right-click the photo and choose Change the picture from File, update the name and role text. To make the design look harmonious, change the frame color using Shape Fill. And that's it. You have just created a modern team introduction slide with a clean photo frame animation using simple shape and wipe effect. It's professional, smooth and perfect for company profiles or team presentation. If you found this PowerPoint tutorial helpful, like the video, share it with your friends and subscribe to Akshrika tutorials for more creative PowerPoint design ideas every week. Thanks for watching.